Ever stared at the charts, wondering if this is XRP's breakout moment? The anticipation can be electrifying, especially when you see those candlesticks forming patterns that hint at a potential surge. In a market ruled by Bitcoin headlines, XRP's next move is on everyone's mind. The chatter is constant, from social media to financial newsrooms, everyone is speculating. While Bitcoin surges ahead, XRP's price action has been more restrained, leaving many investors frustrated. It's like watching a race where your favorite runner is stuck at the starting line. This isn't unusual. Capital often flows into Bitcoin first, then trickles into altcoins like XRP during alt season. It's a pattern we've seen time and again in the crypto world. Right now, XRP is trading in a tight range, testing key support and resistance levels, like a coiled spring waiting for a catalyst. The tension is palpable, and any significant news could set it off. The real question: what will trigger XRP's next big move? Will it be a market-wide rally, a breakthrough in technology, or perhaps a major partnership announcement? It's not just about price. XRP's story is shaped by its legal battles, partnerships, and its unique role in cross-border payments. Each of these elements adds a layer of complexity and potential. While Bitcoin's momentum can lift the whole market, XRP's future depends on its own technology and adoption. Its success hinges on real-world use cases and the trust it builds within the financial community. Don't get discouraged by short-term stagnation. Crypto moves in cycles. Patience is key, and understanding these cycles can give you an edge. Staying informed and focusing on fundamentals is your best strategy. Knowledge is power, and in the volatile world of crypto, it's your best ally. As the market evolves, XRP's unique narrative could set it apart. Its journey is unlike any other, filled with both challenges and opportunities. Let's dive deeper into the forces shaping XRP's journey. From regulatory developments to technological advancements, there's a lot to explore. Crypto isn't an island. Global economics shape every move, and the fate of digital assets like XRP is often tied to decisions made far beyond the crypto world. Every shift in global finance, from interest rates to currency policies, can send shockwaves through the market. The Bank of Japan, for example, is a key player whose policies can have outsized effects on global liquidity and risk appetite. For years, Japan's ultra-low interest rates fueled the yen carry trade, where investors borrowed cheaply in yen to invest in higher-yielding assets, including cryptocurrencies like XRP, pumping extra liquidity into these markets. But if Japan raises rates, borrowing becomes more expensive, and investors may rush to unwind positions, selling off crypto to repay loans, putting downward pressure on prices and increasing volatility. Central bank decisions, whether from Tokyo, Washington, or Frankfurt, ripple through the crypto market almost instantly, affecting sentiment and capital flows worldwide. Rising rates often hurt risk assets like crypto, as investors seek safer returns elsewhere, while dovish policies, where central banks keep rates low or inject liquidity, can spark powerful rallies in digital assets. For XRP holders, it's crucial to watch not just project news, but also the broader economic landscape, as global trends can outweigh even the biggest crypto headlines. XRP's unique use case in international finance and cross-border payments makes it especially sensitive to these global economic shifts, as its value is tied to the health of the world's financial system. A stable global economy supports adoption and growth, while turmoil can bring both risk and unexpected opportunity for those who are prepared. Mature investors look beyond the daily headlines, tracking the big-picture forces, like monetary policy, inflation, and geopolitical events, that truly move the market. Understanding these macro trends and how they interact with crypto helps you navigate volatility, spot opportunities, and avoid pitfalls in a rapidly changing environment. Stay alert. Global economics could be the next big catalyst for XRP, shaping its future in ways few anticipate. Alt season, the legendary time when altcoins outshine Bitcoin, remains crypto's most anticipated event. It's a period where the market sees a significant shift, and altcoins experience explosive growth, often outperforming Bitcoin by a large margin. Predicting its arrival is nearly impossible. By the time it's obvious, the biggest gains are often gone. The market moves quickly, and those who hesitate can miss out on substantial profits. Alt season needs capital to rotate from Bitcoin, a shift in sentiment and new narratives to capture attention. This rotation is crucial as it fuels the growth of altcoins, allowing them to surge in value. Think of it as a parade. Bitcoin leads, altcoins follow, and investors line the streets. The excitement builds as each altcoin takes its turn in the spotlight. If any piece is missing, the show stalls. The momentum can come to a grinding halt, leaving investors disappointed. Many jump in at the first sign of a rally, only to get burned when momentum fades. It's a risky game and timing is everything. True alt seasons lift quality projects across the board, not just a few speculative tokens. This broad-based growth is what separates a genuine alt season from a fleeting pump. For XRP holders, patience is key. The market rewards those who can wait out the volatility. Fundamentals matter more than hype. Solid projects with strong fundamentals are more likely to succeed in the long run. Focus on long-term value, not perfect timing. Trying to time the market can lead to missed opportunities and losses. Solid projects will eventually be rewarded when the tide turns. Patience and due diligence are crucial. Be prepared for the parade. Don't chase after it. Position yourself wisely and be ready for when the market shifts. Rumors swirl fast in crypto, and XRP is a frequent target, especially with talk of delisting or government seizure. The facts: after the 2023 court ruling, major exchanges relisted XRP. A mass delisting now is highly unlikely. As for government seizure, XRP is decentralized and secured by your private keys. No authority can simply take your coins. These rumors often stem from misunderstanding or manipulation. The best defense? Stay educated and check credible sources, not social media panic. In reality, XRP's legal clarity is stronger than ever. Crypto's regulatory gray area is fading fast. Governments are building clear frameworks, and that's a game changer for XRP. Regulation isn't just restriction, it's the foundation for mass adoption, just like the early days of the internet. New laws will define which assets are commodities, set standards for exchanges, and clarify stablecoin rules. For utility coins like XRP, this clarity is a huge advantage. Regulators are more likely to support tokens solving real problems, like XRP's role in cross-border payments. The industry is maturing, and hype matters less than compliance and real-world use. Projects built for a regulated world, like XRP, are positioned to thrive. The new rules aren't the end. They're the start of a bigger game. Adaptation is key for long-term success. What's next for crypto by 2026? Analysts see three big trends: stablecoins, AI integration, and tokenization. Stablecoins will move beyond trading, think payroll, commerce, and instant global payments. XRP's ledger can issue stablecoins, making it a key player in this new financial system. AI will optimize trading, boost security, and power smarter decentralized apps. Ledgers like XRPL are built for this scale. Tokenization will unlock trillions in real-world assets, from real estate to stocks, enabling instant fractional ownership. XRP's built-in exchange and tokenization features put it at the forefront of this shift. Ripple is already exploring these use cases, positioning XRP for the next wave. The future is integrated, efficient, and full of opportunity. Crypto investing is an emotional roller coaster. Euphoria in bull runs, despair in bear markets. Every investor has bought at the top or sold at the bottom. These moments test your conviction. Market cycles mirror human emotion: optimism, thrill, euphoria, then anxiety, panic, and depression. The best opportunities often appear at peak pessimism. Remember the highs of 2021 and the lows of 2022-23. Those who held steady often came out ahead. The key: zoom out and focus on the long-term vision, not daily price swings. Remind yourself why you invested: technology, team, or real-world problem-solving. Stay informed and balanced. Reliable sources like Shiba Insights are your anchor. With patience and perspective, you can ride the waves instead of being swept away. Stay curious, stay educated, and keep your eyes on the horizon.